You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we are covering a practical checklist for moving household goods from San Diego to Mexico. Because the route is geographically close, many people assume the move will be simple, but an international household good move still requires a plan for inventory, packing, documents, customs, and final delivery. Start with your dates. Confirm when you will travel, when you will receive delivery at your Mexican residence, and whether you need temporary storage. Your arrival date and your shipment delivery date may not match, and that is normal. The goal is to plan for the gap instead of treating it as a problem. Next, schedule a survey. A professional survey shows the actual size of the move, major furniture, delicate items, electronics, and access conditions at a San Diego pickup. It also helps identify whether you need a full container shipment, a shared container option, or a smaller specialized plan. Create a clear inventory early. It should describe what is moving and identify higher value items. The inventory supports packing, customs review, insurance options, and final delivery. Keep important documents and personal valuables out of the shipment. Documentation is critical. Mexico's import process can vary depending on citizenship, resident status, destination location, household goods eligibility, and shipment details. Do not treat a border crossing as a substitute for a customs plan. Work with your moving coordinator early to understand the documentation that may apply to your situation. On packing day, separate what travels with you, what stays behind, and what ships. Tell the crew about fragile or specialty pieces. Professional packing can help protect belongings throughout handling and transportation. Before delivery, confirm the destination address. Building or community rules, access, parking, stairs, elevators, and local restrictions. The final leg is much smoother when those details are resolved in advance. One important service note: SDC ships vehicles only when they are containerized with household goods. We do not provide standalone car-only shipping. Proximity does not eliminate logistics. A San Diego to Mexico move succeeds when the inventory, documents, shipment style, and delivery plan are all prepared early. Give us a call at 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.